is looking for how to learn how to make money from CPA marketing. In this video, I will teach you how you can make money from CPA marketing. Basically, there are so many CPA marketing network that is available that you can get into, and I will just show you some of these CPA marketing network that you can get into. But in this video, we'll be concentrating more on CPA grip. That is what we'll be talking about in this video. But before we get into that in detail, I'll just walk you through some of the CPA network marketing platform that is available that you can get into. So one of them is called CPA Grip. As you are seeing it on the screen, is one of the popular CPA networking platform or CPA platform on the net that so many people are getting into, and so many people are doing CPA marketing on the platform. And basically, you should know that CPA marketing is quite different from affiliate marketing. So unlike affiliate marketing, where you get to promote stuff and people must buy before you earn commission, you get to sell something. If it's an affiliate marketing, you get to sell something before you can earn money from affiliate marketing. But CPA marketing, you don't need to sell anything. All you just need to do, you direct lead or you drive lead to a particular link and you get sales. All you just need to do, once those people you drive to a particular landing page or to a website, maybe those platforms will just need basically maybe their email address, their name and phone number, and once they be able to submit all of those things, you earn money from that. So CPA marketing, you don't need to sell any single thing. You just need to drive lead to a particular page and they complete a particular action that is required of them and you get paid. So let me walk you through some of the CPA network that is available. So as you can see right now on the screen, one is called Art Combine, which is one of the CPA network that is available. And basically, if you're into you are the type that you have a blog, or maybe you have a blogger, or you have a brand, you can basically buy traffic from all these platforms to send into your website or to your brand. So that is the purpose of this thing. So if you're a blogger, you can basically get traffic from all these platforms into your website. And you can see that they are publisher. This publisher simply means the one bloggers can use. If you're a blogger, you can just jump in, you get traffic from them into your website. Or if you do AdSense habitual, you can get traffic from this platform into your website, and you be making or generating a lot of revenue from using this platform to send traffic to your website. And if we are the type that you want to advance, you have product, you have a brand that you want to promote, you want more people to see it, you want to boost your maybe your income or your revenue, you can simply come to this platform to place an ad, and a lot of people will get to see it and take action and earn a lot of money. So we also see another one which is called Click Dealer. Click Dealer is just similar to the first one I just showed you, and here you see that you have a publisher account which you can get into, and you have media buying. Those people that run ads, you can get into this platform. You get a lot of people that will see what you are selling by running a traffic to your product or to your stuff. And if you're e-commerce, all that you want for your e-commerce business is right here. So all you just need to do is get into this platform, complete what you want to do, and use it to generate more revenue for yourself. So another one is called Maxbox, which is also popular. I know a guy that was actually doing it back then. I don't know whether he's still doing it. So this is a platform that you can actually basically get a lot of traffic to market, or a platform that you can basically market your store, and a lot of people will get to see it. So but we are not going to explain this in detail. What you are focusing on is CPA marketing, which is called CPA Grip. You see, basically CPA Grip, like I explained, is a platform that combines it with a lot of tasks that you can globally do. They offer and there's no restriction. If you are in a country, maybe you are scared of your country, you don't need to worry about that, because CPA Grip is a global platform that is available to all countries. So, and the thing is, there are a lot of things for you to do in this platform, and I'm going to log into my account so that you can take a look at it, that there is a lot of things that you can do, and some of these things that you can do on this CPA Grip platform can earn you, some can earn you $10, I can earn you $5. And the thing is, you are not selling anything. All you just need to do, just complete a task, send people to a particular landing page or is a website, they complete an action or they carried an action and you get paid for it. So let me quickly log into my account. But if you have not created an account, it's completely free. Probably you see a link at the description of this video. Just use it to sign up an account without any additional cost to you. So if you have not signed up an account, you can just come down here where it says register. You go ahead to register an account on CPA Grip, and if you have registered an account already, so you don't just need to register an account. All you just need to do is to log in and you are good to go. So I'm trying to open the page where you can actually sign up an account for yourself. So you can see the sign up page, you can see how it is. You can see the sign up page. You can choose your country right here. Any country is allowed. There are so many countries right here, so you can just go ahead, choose your country. I've read and understand, then agree. I will not complete the offer myself. Agree. I will not use VPN or bot software to complete any task, and you just go ahead, you create an account and you are good to go. So the registration is very simple and you're not paying anything to get into it. But I'm not going to register an account. All I need to do is to sign in into my account so that you can see how the dashboard look like. That is an amazing platform that you can actually do a lot of things. And if you're that type that is afraid of doing affiliate marketing, you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, you don't know people who are going to buy from you, you don't know who you are going to sell to, CPA Grip or CPA Marketing will be a best option for you to get into. So I'm going to quickly log into my account so that I can take a look at how the dashboard is and how you can do one or two things from this platform to make money from this platform. So you can see how the account is. This is my account right here. So this account is made for tutorial. You can see that I have $0 right here, that I've not earned anything from this platform. You can see how our CPA Group platform is going to look like when you sign up an account with them. And you can see right here, account notice, your tax documents are not currently on file. Please go to your account setting to update. I've not updated anything, I've not done anything on this account. And you can see payment notice, no payment method selected. Please go to your payment center to update. I've not done any of this stuff. So this account is majorly for tutorial, and here is the good part of this platform, CPA Grip. In fact, the goodies, here is where the goodies is. You can see that there are so many work here. You can see marketing stuff or tasks that you can complete on this platform, and you can see some of them. They can earn you 86 cents. Is this one 86 cents? This one $1.37, and all these things are things that you can do on this platform. So there are so many stuff that you can basically do from this platform. You can see recent added offers and the top performing offers. You can see there are so many offers for you to do in this platform. And you can see UK, you see some of these ones are, and look at this very one, UK earning $4.71, and you can see get $750 USD to spend at least on this particular platform. And when you spend this money, you are going to earn this. And you can see this one, get $750 in your PayPal account. And when you click on this, you can see that you can complete this offer, but basically you are not allowed to complete this offer if your country is not selected. Are you getting me? So it's not every offer that you can complete on CPA Grip if your country is not listed. Now let's quickly open it and see what you can do from this platform. Say get $750 in your PayPal account, enter your information now to get started. You can see it. You see this offer is from Canada, and you can see desktop and all of that. Payout $4.71, date added June 30, and you can see the tracking domain. Here is the domain, and you can see the link. This offer is only allowed in Canada. You can see only citizens of Canada, that is people from Canada, they are the only people allowed to complete this offer. So as in my country right now, if I click this, I may not be able to complete it. Are you getting me? But let's just give it a try and see what I'm talking about. You see it, you see the link. I'm going to copy it. I copy, then I go to another browser, I'll open it. Let's see if they will allow me to complete this offer. The instruction has been given that if you are not in Canada, that offer cannot be complete. So let's just watch and see what is going to open for us. You can see, dear users, bonus, dear users, today July 12th, you have been randomly selected to participate in this survey. It will only take a minute and you have only 2 minutes and 50 seconds to participate. You can see the offer right here. They say it's only people from Canada that can complete this offer. The amazing thing is you can go ahead to complete this offer, but since it's not allowed, your country is not allowed, because they are going to know by your IP. Are you getting me? Since your IP is not in a country that is accepted, if you complete this offer, you may go ahead to do it and you may not get paid for it. That is why it's very, very advisable for you to always choose offer that is accepted in your country. And I must tell you that even right here in Nigeria, there are offers that you can do in this platform that accept Nigerians. So do you get me? Now you can look at the countries right here. You can see the country right here, and you can even search for your country, or if your country offers are not here, look at it. So there are so many offers that you can complete on this platform. There are so many that you can actually do on this platform. But let's see if you can search our country, Nigeria, if there are offers that we can complete right here in our country. So you can just come down to where you say offer to use, open it, then my offers, then click on it. Let's see if there are offers that we can do. You can see my country right here, that my country is Nigeria. Then let me see if I can choose the category. There are so many categories of offers that you can complete on CPA Grip. You see mobile install, pin submit, email zip submit, credit card, and so on and so forth. So you can search for your country right here. Let me see if I can search for my country. Okay, you can see this one, email zip submit. You can see Nigeria. Look at Nigeria flag right here. Enter for a Samsung A53. You can see the money that you're going to get paid right here is 10 cents. If you complete, or if I go ahead to complete this offer, I'm going to earn 10 cents. Now look at another one also. Get the latest Samsung Galaxy X25, 17 cents. And look at another one. All these offers you are seeing right here are offers from Nigeria. You can see it. You can see some of them are paying 13 cents, 8 cents, 17 cents, 10 cents, 8 cents, 17 cents, 13 cents, and all of that. Though Nigeria, the offer that we are giving right here in Nigeria, the payment is very small, but it's something. So it's something you can do it as a side hustle for yourself. Maybe you are a sit-at-home mom, a sit-at-home dad, or a student. You can even do it as a side hustle. Do you get me? You can do it as a side hustle. But that is for our country. But what if you want to try other countries? There are other countries right here that you can try. Let's see if we can try other country. Another country that has good offer is South Africa. South Africa also has a good offer. So let's check out South Africa and see the offers that are South Africa's. You can see this one. Take the new finance survey. You can see the payment, the payout is 8 cents, 8 cents, and 8 cents. All these offer are from South Africa. And if you are in Nigeria, if you go ahead to complete this offer, I don't think if you will get paid for it, or if you will be allowed to even complete this offer in the first place. So you can see that pay. You can see 20 cents, 13 cents, 17 cents, 34 cents, 10 cents, 13 cents, 30 cents, and so on and so forth. So there are so many offers that you can complete right here on this platform. So you have seen, I've walked you through how you can do all of these things. You can just go ahead, sign up an account, and you are good to go. You are not paying for it. And you can also join the affiliate program. They have an affiliate program which can actually sign up with their affiliate program, which is called their referral program. You can come down here, you see the referral program. So like I told you, there is a link at the description of this video. Is my affiliate link. Here is it. There's a link. You can just go ahead, use my affiliate link to sign up an account. You are not paying for it. It's completely free. So you just sign up an account, using it to appreciate me for recommending this kind of offer to you. So you click the link and you sign up an account, and you are good to go. And if you enjoyed this video, or you have any question that is related to CPA marketing that you feel like asking, or you have any area that you want to know more about CPA marketing, please kindly leave the comment at the comment section of this video, and I will try as much as possible to attend to those questions or comments. And if you have not subscribed to Online Hustle YouTube channel, please kindly to subscribe to our channel so that we can grow this community together. And if you have not liked this video, please like this video so that YouTube will get to recommend it to other people. So guys, I will see you in another video, and stay safe.